Icandelo elijongene nemiyezo yezilwanyana kweli lithi alinazicwangciso zokubiya umyezo wezilwanyana iKruger National Park kwicala eliyidibanisa neMozambique. Lithi ingqwalasela yalo kukuqinisa ukhuseleko ukuze kuphele ukuzingelwa kwezilwanyana ngokusemthethweni. Inxalenye yocingo yanqunyulwa kwiminyaka esixhenxe edlulileyo kulungiselela ukuvuleleka komyezo Limpopo Trans Frontier Park.
Ngumngcelelo ohlukanisa live laseNingizimu Afrika neMozambique. Uphinze udzabule khansi kwesiciwu lesikhulu Greater Limpopo Trans Frontier Park ngasempumalanga nesiciwu iKruger National Park. Kusukela kwasuswa ingcenye yalo cingo lenza ucaphelwe ngeliso lelukhala.
But what is important in our relationship with our Mozambique colleagues is that we are continually emphasizing with them the importance of their eastern boundary being strong.
Fence doesn't stop a poacher, it stops animals. So it doesn't matter what kind of fence we put up, it's not going to stop any kind of poaching. So as a conservation footprint, the bigger area is better for everybody, and it makes no difference to the poaching.
Lamavela amabili Mozambique neNingizimu Afrika abambisene kuliwa nebugebengu lobenteka kuleli ciwo.
If the poacher crosses that fence that is on the eastern side, they cannot do anything. So they hand over to us. So we start the process of catching these people and taking them to justice.
Baphathi baleti ciwo banelisekile ngalamacebo lakhona ekulwane kutingelwa kwabobhejane netindlovu. Ibalo liveta ukuthi kule ubobhejane laba ngu564 kulomnyaka lophelile nakucathaniswa nalaba ngu719 laba bulewe ngo2018. Jonathan Lungu, SABC News, iKruger National Park.